Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Wonderful Wednesday. Last night was Tuesday date night with Robin, where I prepared one of her favorites and many more people's favorites, butter chicken. She walked into the door and just got hit with an explosion of wonderful New Delhi aroma. It was really good. I added a few things to it. I added some red bell pepper and some chopped Roma tomato. Yeah, it was fun. Last night we also solidified our Christmas holiday menu. We just had one little sticking point. No pun intended. It was the dessert. We're actually having our Christmas holiday main meal on Christmas Eve. Thank you for all of your input, for everybody out there who answered the poll. And then we're going to do some hot snacks and cold snacks on Christmas Day with leftovers. Yeah. Today is a culinary expedition day, and we're going to be in Guyana. When I saw this recipe, I was kind of like, really? I'm going to be preparing a Guyanese Chow Mein. Apparently, this is an authentic recipe that's quite popular in the country. So let's get to it. We've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, some coconut oil, which I purchased last week, black pepper, pink salt, yes, pink salt, tamarind. I'm using this as a substitute for one of their ingredients, but this is a very close substitute. Garlic. I put together what they call a green seasoning. It's got a bunch of herbs in it. You can do it fresh or dry. Put that together yesterday. Chinese 5-spice. Onion powder and garlic powder. These last two powders are actually used in the marinade. And for all the veggies, I got a lot of prep to do. Onion, red bell pepper, ginger, some Thai chili peppers, carrot. I'm actually substituting one ingredient because I can't get it locally. So I'm going to be using udon noodles, green beans, and green onions. So yeah, I've got a lot of fun prep to do this morning. First, I need to get the chicken into the marinade so it can do its thing for the rest of the day. And then I can concentrate on the vegetables. There's some julienne work going on and so forth. But hey, it's all in a day's work. The weather is changing. It's windy out there. It's going to be somewhat warmer. Now, this is all according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning. And we're supposed to have rain. We could use it. So, on this wonderful Wednesday, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.